Hello everyone, welcome to Cyberspace with another new video. In this video I will show you how can you create profile backlink in a website. So let's get started. Here I have almost 170 profile backlink websites list. So I will show you, this is the live links and this is the main website's link. So I will show you one of these websites like this. Just go to your website and click the get started option. Then you have to set your password, your blog name and your email. So for this I will use this email and I will remove the password and set a new password like captcha. Okay, click the register and create option. Okay, yeah. Then you will see the dashboard option of your website and just go to the my profile option and this is our username. So this username will use in our website or this WordPress website URL. So you can see, and here you will paste your main or targeted website's link or website link for that you want to create this profile backlink. So about me, just paste a description or short description here like okay, and then you have to save, and you can also set your language. So then you have to save change, click the save change option and then click visit your online profile option. Okay, then this is your username and this is our username and this profile and this is the description and this is our main thing that for that reason we want to create profile backlink this websites. Just any viewers, if any viewer see the profile, then click the website link and they will go to the main website. So just this is the live link of the this profile backlink. So this is actually the profile backlink. Just copy it and paste here to your live links option. So in this resource we have almost two types of profile backlinks. Some wiki links are also available. So I want to show you wiki links also. Just click on it and then go to the create account option. Set your username like and set your password. Okay, confirm your password and then enter our email address and then captcha. create your account. Just we have to copy the description and create your first wiki article. Click the option and paste your description, and you have to also add your targeted website link here. Just click the option and okay, just a minute. You have to insert your website URL here, and then give a title or targeted, then click the confirm option and your website will added here, and just give a title and then publish. Click the publish the article, then preview it, and this is your profile backlink, and this is the live link of your profile backlink. So Control C, and here you can paste in live link option. So this is actually the profile backlink creation. So thanks for watching, and for this resource, if you want to get this resource, please comment. I will try to attach this resource in my video description box. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you.